Hello kids, welcome to Alphabets Learning. You know, there are 26 alphabets in English. Today, we are going to learn about these alphabets. Let's get started. A for apple. A for alligator. A for ant. B for ball. B for balloon. B for boat. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. D for dog. D for door. D for donkey. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. F for fish. F for fan. F for flower. G for goat. G for grapes. G for giraffe. H for hat. H for hen. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ink. I for insect. J for jar. J for juice. J for jam. K for kite. K for king. K for key. L for lion. L for lamp. L for lemon. M for mango. M for monkey. M for moon. N for newspaper. N for nurse. N for nut. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. P for prince. P for penguin. P for pigeon. Q for queen. Q for question. Q for quiet. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. R for rat. S for star. S for sun. S for school. T for tree. T for truck. T for tortoise. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for uniform. V for van. V for vegetables. V for vehicle. W for watermelon. W for wood. W for whale. X for X-ray. X for Xerox. X for xylophone. Y for yolk. Y for yarn. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z for zero. We just learned the English alphabets.